Things are going, starting off another work week. Monday is here again, but it sounds like we have some changes this week.
We do, and it feels like this time we're actually going to get some of the rain instead of kind of hope that maybe it can arrive. I think this chance starting tomorrow is a real good chance, so let's get ready for some of that long-awaited rain. Now, as far as our day today goes, increased clouds, temperatures may slow down a little bit, but they're starting kind of mild. I think we're going to see daytime highs that struggle to reach 70, then overnight tonight, those numbers stay up because of the increased clouds and because of that impending rain that's out to our west trying to move our way. It likely will take into the day tomorrow before it gets here, but we could start to see a couple of showers overnight tonight. It's 58 in Tallahassee. It's 58 right now in Valdosta. We're at 54 in Thomasville. Normal morning temperatures this time of the day, this time of the year should be in the upper 40s. So we're a bit on the warmer side of normal. There's a little breeze out there helping to counteract some of that moisture. So I don't see too much fog around the region. And we'll see that tight grouping of temperatures mostly between like 54 and 59. Now, I do think at times today we're going to notice that breeze out of the northeast and out of the east. That'll slowly turn a little bit more towards the southeast as that energy arrives, and we'll have plenty of moisture for that energy to work with. Right now, Live Oak is reporting visibilities down to 2.5 miles. We've got a couple of spots, maybe with a little patchy fog. All this energy, all this moisture, this doesn't look like it's racing off to the north. This looks like it's finally marching along the Gulf Coast or even just a little south of the Gulf Coast. That should put us in the prime spot to see some decent waves of showers. I think that's what we're going to have in our Tuesday, in our Wednesday, and maybe even our Thursday forecast before it finally scoots out and we can start to bring in the next round of drier and cooler air for next weekend. Here's a look at that futurecast we get to tomorrow afternoon. And now we're starting to look for those first showers. We might start to see some a little earlier than that, but I think it's going to be periods and waves of the showers that could last for an hour or two at a time and bring some decent rainfall. There'll also be some breaks and gaps, but I would suspect that our Tuesday, especially our Wednesday and our Thursday, all look to be a little on the soggy side at times, and that's exactly what some of these thirsty lawns, gardens, and greens could really use. The tropics, still pretty quiet. We are watching this area down here near Central America. It's got the beginnings of maybe a little something trying to get going. We'll keep our eyes on it and see how that evolves over the next week or so. Small crafts need to be advised today. Breezy and getting breezier. Winds out of the northeast and east like 10 to 20 and seas maybe up to 4 or 5 feet. We'll go with mild this morning, increasing clouds, temperatures climbing through the 50s. I think this afternoon, probably we struggle to reach 70 with all the clouds, but a couple of spots might get there. I do start to introduce some rain chances later today and tonight. I'm not expecting a whole lot of rain today, but we could catch a couple of showers. A lot of us will start in the 60s tomorrow. And here's that extended forecast. Tuesday, Wednesday, and into the day Thursday are looking soggy, or at least with periods of rain as we get to Friday and Saturday. Now it looks like things are clearing up. Of course, that's 5 days down the road. First things first, today we increase the clouds. Tomorrow, we start looking for showers.